Okay guys, let's try the Norcold refrigerator. And it's plugged in on the power. Let's check it out. Turn it on. Power on. Power on. You hear the sound? Set control knob. Start with number 2. From the power breaker right there. It's 110. Let's check it out outside. Short power line from outside. Let's check the connection. Right there. That's not connected. That's for the once I'm done with the battery, I'm gonna connect right here. But I'm gonna put the house battery for the refrigerator. I can connect it directly right there because my battery is just right here next to it. I can connect it there because I don't have plan to use my refrigerator on my deep cycle. I'm gonna add extra battery right there. Electrical supply, that's for the 12 volts wiring right here. If there's no hookup input, the black one, the red one is hot, I believe. I can check with the tester. Alright, the refrigerator right there, check it out, it's on. Yep, it's cold. And that's my AC right there. And then I have the table AC. This one can run for 12 volts. Turn it off for now. Turn it off. Right there. That's on and off switch. Right on the bottom. You don't need to unplug. Alright. Just a trial, guys. So, if you have any question, let me know.